Hello YouTube, thank you for choosing this channel. In this channel, we introduce Android app doing. I want to introduce for you to lamp game. A lamp game is a game that completed for reflexes. Press the button quickly when the light is on. So how to use while watching the app. I want to explain. Okay, this Google Play lamp game link push. Let's download is now. The currently open website is NOBIRU Burog. The URL of the site is in the summary field. From this link, go to Google Play and download from there. This device has been downloaded. Let's open it. Press the start button. Push. The red and blue blocks disappear or the displayed. When I appears, click the button of the color push. If the timing is right, point will be at F1, point are down. When a block is displayed, press the button multiple times to it is out. After 30 seconds, the game ends. After the game ends, press the start button. Press to restart the game. Start button push. Restart. Let's aim for a high score. Okay. Let's play. Red, blue, push, push. Blue, push, push, push. Red, push, push. Blue, push, push, push. Okay. Red, push. 8 point get. Okay. Now back to the NOBIRU Burog. The NOBIRU Burog introduce interesting Android apps. Press subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.